This is a asus 27-inch monitor, and this monitor model is 2279, and this monitor problem is power is not turning on. Today I'll fix this. Okay, let's check it. And you can see this, and this monitor voltage is 19 voltage. Okay, here is the 19 voltage present, and let's plug in it. Plug in this, but power is not turning on. And pressing the power button, this is not working. Okay, this is the problem. Today I'll solve this issue. And this is the 19 volt 2.1 ampere power adapter. Okay, let's open it. At first I need to check this power adapter is okay or not. Okay, I check this is the voltage is okay, but sometimes this ampere happen the problem, and I can check this using the another laptop adapter also, and laptop charger also work here, and I'll show this how you can connect this. Okay, okay, I open this, and here is some burning issue, and here is getting some burning smell. Maybe I found that problem, and this capacitor pin is loose. I think if I solder this, it would be okay. And this capacitor was desoldered. Okay, and I have a Lenovo laptop charger, and this charger voltage rating is 20 volt 3.2 ampere. That is okay, it will be supported with this monitor. And let's do this, how I can change this. After cutting this cable, and this one I will attach with this. And I solder this. Check the output voltage. What happened? Here is a 20 voltage is present. Okay, outputting is 20 volt. And let's plug in this and check the power, and you can see our monitor is turning, and display has come. And I use Lenovo laptop charger, and you can use also any laptop charger and it will be work. Here was the voltage rating is 19 volt and 2.1 ampere. I use 20 volt 3.2 ampere. Ampere is not matter, but voltage little bit high, it does not matter. 1 voltage is okay, it's supported here. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. I tapping that.